gonna break it? You gonna rip the head back on wheel off, son?
I'm so my face doing that.
Don't get mad at it.
He's like, damn it ain't going nowhere.
Should go down the slide with him. I'm too big. I'll get stuck.